Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully everyone having a great day. Today is going to be an update video on project EJ6, and it's kind of getting dark out here. So let's get this Civic pulled into the garage and then let's talk. Alright, let's get the... Oh man. That's not looking good. Well, if you don't know, we bought a new house a couple months ago. This is the new garage right here. Got a ceiling fan, got AC, which is nice. Has still a lot of stuff. This is all car parts, garage stuff here. Got my toolbox right here. That's my compressor over here on the side. Still a lot of stuff, pretty much my wife's stuff all here. Some old man cave stuff. And then just a bunch of other But this is where the garage door is supposed to be. There's no garage door. There is behind this wall. So what we're gonna have to do, and this is gonna be a new little series going on channel, is we're gonna have to take down this wall. And some people want to build a wall.
Build that wall. Build that wall. Build that wall.
But this one we gotta take down. So we are gonna be taking these 2x4s out, taking this drywall off, and just getting to the garage door and seeing what we have to do to make the garage door work again. I'm assuming they just took the tracks off right here, for the garage door, and we'll just have to add that and it should be fine. But it's going to be a little process to get it done, and I just want to film it. So if you've been following the channel for a while, you know that I had a 2-car garage with a lot of space, workbench. I had my car, had all the house stuff, garden stuff all on one side, car stuff, tools on the other. It was perfect. And now we downsized when we moved to Florida. Smaller house, smaller garage, but you know what? That's alright because we're happy. And I'm just happy that I have a garage after renting for 2 years, or close to 2 years. But yeah, so the plan is just to make this small space, mine, and use all the space the best way I can. I ordered some storage stuff already for the garage on Black Friday. And we're gonna, of course, have to clean up my toolbox because when it was in the little closet, the duplex, I just threw stuff everywhere because I couldn't actually get to the drawers. It's got a lot of car stuff here. My old HKS exhaust, the old valve cover. I'll probably throw that up there on the wall. Plan is to paint, redo the floors here, add storage, like I said, add some lighting. Probably take this fan down and move it in my son's room or somewhere. I don't know. And then the good thing is have AC here, like I said before. But yeah, the first step is going to be to tear down this wall. Yeah, but hopefully you guys stick around for this video series. It should be a really fun one. It's something new, and I've always thought about doing a series like this where I just remodel the garage and just make it my own. I will be doing the review of the T6 coilovers driving video. That'll be following this video, so stick around for that, and hopefully stick around for this garage build. Let me know what you guys think. Give me some storage ideas. Give me what you think I should do to this garage to make it my own, to use the small space for the best. And just, yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, peace out. This little series and for this garage is just to make it my own, make it, ugh.